Good morning. My name is Manasi Priyadarshini. Presently, I am working as a lecturer in the Department of Electronics Telecommunication at Raurkela. Okay, students. So today we will be performing a practical, that is amplitude modulation. Okay. So this is actually classroom teaching, but I am using the key to perform the practical. See, this is your amplitude modulation and demodulation kit. Okay. This is your DSO, that is digital storage oscilloscope. So the see here it is written AF signal generator. AF means audio frequency signal generator. So from this part the message signal will be generated. Here it is written carrier. That means from this part the carrier signal will be generated. Now see here it is written AM modulator. So from this part modulation will be done. So what we need to give to supply to the modulator, that is message. So AF output will be connected to AF input. Okay. Next, here it is written carrier input. That means the carrier output will be connected to carrier input. Okay. See, and from this part, AM output. This part you can able to see the output wave. But before that, I will show you how the message signal looks. See, this is your audio frequency signal. And the ground will be connected to the propagate pin. Okay. Now I am switching on the board and switching on the base. This is our message signal. Okay, suppose we see the message signal. Wait for a while. See, your message signal is sinusoidal and you can measure the frequency also. See here it is written period, frequency, rise time. So what we need to measure frequency. So the frequency, I am pressing the frequency button. See here it is written 800 Hz. Everybody was this. Frequency is equal to 800 Hz. Is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Frequency 800 Hz. You can measure the peak to peak value also. Peak to peak value means this positive peak and negative peak. This is known as peak to peak value. Okay. If you want to measure, you need to change this. Vmax, V mean V peak to peak. So if you want to measure V peak to peak, there's that button. See, this was V peak to peak. How much button?
195.
195 millivolts. Okay. So you need to note down this value also.
Yes.
So the frequency is 800 Hz and the peak to peak value is 195 volt means what is that will be the maximum amplitude, that will be divided by 2. Peak to peak value is 2 AM. 2 AM is this much. What will be the value of AM? So divide this by 2. Next I will show you the carrier signal. So just face auto, wait for a while. Okay. You can measure the frequency of the carrier signal. As I said earlier, that the frequency of carrier is always greater than frequency of message. Very, very greater than. Actually, very, very greater than. So see, what is the frequency of carrier?
22.1 kilohertz.
The frequency of message was 800 Hz. That means less than 1 kilohertz. But the frequency of carrier is 22.1 kilohertz. Okay. You can measure the peak to peak value also if you want to measure. Okay. Just if you want to measure, just press this button. We peak to peak. Now it is showing 532 millivolt. Okay. That means the value of AM and the value of AC you can determine from this. Now AM value is obviously less than AC because 2 AM is less than 2 AC. That means AM is less than AC. Okay. Now we will supply these two signals to the modulator. So supply this signal to this and what I am doing carefully was I am supplying the message signal to the AF input and the carrier output will be connected to carrier input. Okay, and the output will be seen from the AM output part. If you want to connect the ground part also, all grounded. Okay, now just press auto and wait for a while. You need to adjust it. I am pressing stop button just for a clear view. Now I am zooming it. See? Okay. Here I have drawn. This is the value of AC plus A and this is the value of AC minus A. This is the under modulation case. In the previous class I already discussed what is under modulation, what is critical modulation and what is over modulation. In case of under modulation, mu is less than 1. That means the value of AM is less than AC. So the waveform will look like this. Just watch. See, the frequency of carrier will remain unchanged because we are not doing anything with the frequency part. We are doing everything with the amplitude part. Okay. Now the carrier amplitude is varying with respect to message. This part is known as envelope. जहाँ पे आपका मैसेज सिग्नल रिसीव होता है, this is known as envelope. So this is the under modulation case. Now see the magic. Under modulation, in case of under modulation, AM is less than AC. Mu is less than 1 means the maximum amplitude of message is less than maximum amplitude of AC. Now I am increasing the value of A. I'm increasing the value of A. Okay. So what will happen when the value of AM is increased? This AC minus A, this will be reduced. A point will come when the value of AC will be equivalent to A, and at that time it will just touch this line. That is known as critical modulation. When the value of AC is equal to A, the modulation is known as critical modulation. That means mu value is equal to 1. Okay. And the third case, when it will happen again, if I increase the value of A, this AC minus A will come to this lower part, and this part will come to upper part. So see, just because this AC minus M is coming to this, and the negative part will come to this. Okay. So this is your over modulation. Okay. समझ में आया सबको? भूलोगे नहीं? Very good. So this is all about your amplitude modulation. I think this video will be helpful for you.